ISO Speed has been through some hectic and overwhelming situations during his live stream, like he was arrested due to live streaming. His fans shut down the whole city, his camera battery stolen, and even the fireworks has been thrown on his cars by the crowd. Now to the point, let's rank the country by the largest crowd. In Mongolia, around 1500 fans were chasing Speed during his live stream, and mostly being kids. And there were some kids who skipped school just to saw him.
Bro, that's literally what happened. I'm dead ass, bro. A girl came up to me and said, I skipped school because of you. I swear to God.
That's some next level craze. In Hong Kong, at one point of his hour-long stream, several people on motorcycles were seen chasing after his car and knocking his windows. There were 2000 fans who were following Speed throughout his stream. He was able to escape the large crowd when he boarded a boat around 6 p.m. to enjoy a Sunset Harbor cruise, where he mingled with other tourists. But users were upset that they missed the opportunity to promote Hong Kong. In Chile, approximately 2300 fans were following ISO Speed during his live stream in Chile. His viral stream came to an abrupt end after some people started aiming fireworks at the streamer's car. And one of the persons from the crowd stole the batteries from ISO Speed's streaming camera in Chile. In Singapore, ISO Speed was followed by an estimated 2500 fans on the street. Some claimed that he was arrested by Singapore police for streaming in Universal Studios. However, no reports have been confirmed that the news, and it seems his broadcast was stopped due to a Singaporean law. Given how popular he is worldwide, his supposed arrest would have certainly made the news. Furthermore, his cameraman and manager Slips has shared an update asking fans to not blame Universal Studios after the stream was interrupted. Notably, the official Universal Studios Singapore account had even promoted ISO Speed's stream. In Indonesia, ISO Speed was followed by an estimated 3500 fans on the streets. ISO Speed visited Indonesia after visiting several other Southeast Asian countries such as Malaysia, Cambodia, Vietnam, Philippines and Thailand. ISO Speed had set a new personal record, reaching 1 million live viewers during his IRL live stream in Jakarta, Indonesia. This achievement surpasses his previous record from Thailand, where he drew over 614k viewers simultaneously. In Argentina, during his live stream in January 2025, ISO Speed was followed by an estimated 5000 fans on the street. The crowd was large enough to cause disruption, including incidents where fans chased him onto public transportation. In one notable incident, streamer ISO Speed has earrings stolen from his own ear while in Argentina. During his live stream in Bolivia, ISO Speed was followed by an estimated 6000 fans on the street. ISO Speed's and Bolivia stream early due to the technical difficulties with the internet connections. During ISO Speed's live stream in Cambodia, particularly in Siem Reap, he was followed by an estimated 8000 fans on the streets. This estimate is based on the crowd footage and reports from his visit, celebrating reaching 30 million YouTube subscribers. In China, the largest estimated numbers of fans physically following ISO Speeds on the road was around 10,000, particularly in Shanghai and Changsha, where massive crowds gathered around his hotel and followed him through malls and public streets. In one stream, police were called in for crowd control due to overwhelming fan presence, and several clips went viral showing fans sprinting after him in large groups. These real-world gatherings were among the largest on the IRL appearance globally. During his IRL stream in Lima, Peru on January 28, 2025, ISO Speed was greeted by an estimated crowd of over 20,000 fans gathered outside the mayor's mansion. In a symbolic gesture, Lima's mayor Rafael Lopez Aliaga appointed ISO Speed as the city's mayor for an hour.
Wait, I'm the mayor
for 1 hour.
Recognizing his influence and connection with the Peruvian youth. Sources, trust me bro, pulled out from my yeah, that's it for today, and